Hello, today we will discuss how we can enter data in Excel using data entry form. Let's say you are a teacher and you are going to prepare exam result and you have to add, let's say for one class there are 30 students, 40 students, and you have to add their marks in Excel sheet for different subjects, and then you have to calculate their total marks, percentage, and result. First, you need to enter those that data manually, and if you will do it in the Excel one by one, in all the cells, it is little difficult, or time consuming, or tedious job. You can do it by using a simple data entry form, which is very easy. Using data entry form, you can enter a record, you can search a record, you can modify a record, or you can delete a record. Let's see how we can do it. Normally, data entry forms form option is not enabled or not available in any of the tab here. First, you have to enable it. There are many commands in Excel which are not by default not available in the toolbar because they are not commonly used. So let's see how we can add it. You just click right here. There are many methods you can go. From the file you can go as well, from the options. Okay, this will come here, and this window will open. You can click quick toolbar or customize ribbon. You can click it. This is one option, and the easier option is just click anywhere here. Here, right click, you will see customize the ribbon. Just click. Okay, same window is open. So on this main tabs, you can see these are the tabs available on your menu bar. You can uncheck any one of them. It will disappear from the toolbar, and you can add any new options here as well. So you can see choose command from. These are the commands available. Popular commands are listed here. We'll go here and we can search the forms using all commands, but the list of all commands will be very big. So better to search command not in the ribbon. If you don't see here, then go and find all commands, select all commands to find the forms. Find commands that not in the ribbon. So the commands which are not added in the ribbon, the list will appear here. So this list is alphabetically ordered. You can search the option form in the F. Look, this is the option form. This we will enable it. We will add here in the. So as we are going to enter the data, so better we can add this form command in any of the tab. It is customized. You can do it. So better we will add in the data because it is related with the data. So just click highlight on the data. Okay, otherwise if you will not click, it will go to the first tab. So just click the highlight the data. Okay, and then press new group. Look, new group is added. Click on the new group and press rename. This window will appear. Here we can give name to this group. Let's say we can call it form, FORM. Okay, you can select the icon as well, but I will not change anything here. Press OK. Look, this form is created. This group is created. Now we will add this form command to this group. Click this plus enter add. Look, this is added here. Okay, you can see in the data, and new option is new group is created. Press OK. Now you go to data, you see this group is created and the command form is available. So we will use it. Normally it is not available. You can check it before. You will not find this form group anywhere. Okay. So before using the form, we have to create a table, and then using that table, in that table we will use form to enter the data. Click anywhere on the table, anywhere. Okay, go to home tab and format as table. Okay, click. You will see a list of tables. You can select any one. This is theme only. Color, different colors are there. So I will choose a little lighter color, this one. Okay. So you can see the dotted line here around the table. If this table is these dotted lines are correctly, it has automatically selected the table, then you can press OK only. Otherwise, you can modify here, okay, by changing the cells. Note, right now I have around 10 entries in the table. You can start by preparing a small table, give the headings, okay. My table, you will see this, my table has headers. If you will uncheck, so it will have different effects. So better to keep it checked because we have headings. Because if we will not check this, then then the form which will open, it will not pick our headings. Let's say I'll uncheck it. Okay, press OK, and then go to data form. Look here, it consider our first row as a data. It created its own headings, column 1, 2, 3. Here you can see which is incorrect. So we have to check that option. Control Z. I reverted the change. Again, I will go home to the Home tab, format as a table. Okay, select any table. I will check that option. When we'll check this option, so name, maths, biology, chemistry, it will consider it as headings. Okay, one more thing. You can start making this table, only make the headings and enter one value there, one row, let's say Ali, and then you can start adding remaining data using the form. I have already added 10 rows, no need to add 10 rows. You can add the make the headings and one or two records and then table, and using form you can enter rest of the data. So press OK. After this, now table is created. You can see the selected area. So now table is created. After creating the table, we can use the form. Go to data where we have enabled the form command. Click. You can see the table, the form is in front of us. It already picked all our headings. Name heading, maths, biology, chemistry, physics, English, all headings are there. And it is showing the record number 1. Okay. Now I'll show you first how we can add the new record. Here we have option new. It give us the blank field. Just type any name. Let's say I'll type uh, Bilal Bilal Ali, full name. After typing the first cell, do not press enter. If you will press enter, this form will add this incomplete data in the sheet. Let's say I have pressed enter. You will see only Bilal Ali is in. Now I am going to press enter. Look, this is added here, which is incorrect. We will not use enter key. We will use tab key to go to the next cell. Go now we can press find previous. Look, Bilal Ali record is already selected. We can modify here, add the numbers, math 76, then press tab key. I am pressing tab key. Okay, I'm just writing here, use the tab key. Then next biology 89, press tab. 90, press physics number 56. I'm giving just examples. Press tab again, and 98. Now all the data is entered. Make sure it is correct, and now press enter. Once you will press enter, look, data is populated in the sheet. This is to enter a record. If you will press preview, find previous, now the last record it is showing. You can also scroll from this scroll bar. Look, from here the numbers will change and you can change the record. You can go on the top. Now you can see row number 1 record Ali is there, it is showing. If you want to delete it, press delete. Okay, Ali is gone. And if you want to modify a record, now the record number two, which was on the number two, now it is on number one because the first record is gone. If you want to modify it, let's say we want to make it 86, press enter, the change is already implemented. For Vakas, there is second record. Let's say I want to change the maths marks from 78 to any other number. Let's say 99. Change it 99 and press enter. It is updated. So you have learned how we can add a new record, how we can delete it, how we can modify it. Now we can search as well, and this find previous and next, it will go one by one. See, Nadeem, record number 4, next record number 5, Bilal, press next, record number 6. So one by one it will move on, downwards or upwards, find previous record and next record. But if you want to search any name from, let's say you have a big sheet, there are 60 students in the sheet, so you want to search a student, or you want to see that which student got 100 marks and 99 marks in mathematics. So we can search it. For this criteria, you press this criteria. Now the blank form is in front of you. You can search any record from using these maths. You can have a combination of two. Let's say name plus marks. So it will search that criteria. I will search the students who have scored 99 in mathematics. Okay, so press 99, type 99 and find next. Look, uh, okay, Vakas criteria, we will use criteria, find previous. Look, actually, when I press next, there was no next record who has scored 99. Okay, the first record is Ahmed. So when I will press find next, so it will show me Vakas who is 99. So I can modify that record. Similarly, if I want to search a name, let's say I want to search a name Bilal, Javed, 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 and I will press next. Look, record of Javed is loaded here. I can modify it, I can delete it, I can do anything. So in this way, we can search records as well. Now you have learned using the entry form, data entry form, how new record is added, how record is modified, delete, and search. So this is the easiest way. You can enter if you're a teacher or you have any kind of data. Let's say you are in HR, you want to make a list of employees, their department, their staff number. You can easily use this data entry form. Thank you for watching my video, and